Hey guys, today, let's learn how to create a poll on Messenger. So if you guys want to go ahead and create your own poll over on the Messenger applications. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so in order for us to do this, what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Messenger applications. And I want you to proceed with logging into your preferred accounts. So once you're already on your preferred account, what I want you guys to do is to actually tap on a group chat. Now, polls will only work on group chats since, well, a poll is gonna require a bunch of people to answer and see the lights. Not gonna work if only 2 of you are gonna, well, answer that poll. So we gotta go ahead and locate the specific group chat that you want to go ahead and post this poll on. Now in this case, what we need to do is just go ahead and see if the poll or the option to make a poll is available on our Messenger applications. So you gotta tap on this plus icon over here and see if the poll option is available. So when you tap on this option, that's where you guys could basically see the option to create poll. So all we need to do, so just type in the poll question and also add some options. If we like a few options as well, just tap on create poll to create your poll. And now your poll is successfully created. Now alternatively, you could also type in poll and basically have this word underlined. Now tap on it to create your poll. As you see like this, can also go ahead and type in maybe a word or 2 words with an or in the middle, like let's say blue or red. And well, if you have an underlined or if you have these words underlined, you might have the option to create a poll from that. But in this case, we can only utilize these 2 ways by tapping on the plus icon and also just typing the word poll on the chat and tapping on it when it is underlined. That's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.